Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. First weekly vlog. On those vlogs I will try to talk about the cosplays I'm working on and stuff, yeah, and I will try to be weekly. I'm working on a cosplay for the Paris Japan Expo 2025, so that will take place in early July, if I'm not mistaken. I wanted a cosplay fitted for the Japan theme, so more manga, anime. And I've been watching a lot of One Piece, so I was thinking cosplaying my girl Nami, but not Nami from the anime. Exactly. I follow on Instagram an artist called Anna Alexander Artwork. I love the style of her drawing and I love the outfit she did for Nami, really piratey. So I want to try to make that. So it's a lot of work and I am really new at sewing. I say really new, I haven't done a lot of stuff, but I do have a sewing machine. And my goal is to learn sewing and to learn through that cosplay as well. Like the first thing I did was trying to find the shoes because I had like a specific type of shoe in mind, almost exactly like the drawing, which is that's why I'm crazy, because I want everything to be exactly as I see it, exactly how it is on the fucking thing, and I'm driving myself nuts. But I did find them on Vinted. Here they are. They're beautiful. They look as close as I could. I can try to find the boots that looked as close as possible to the drawing, so it's not exactly the same here. And the heel isn't that high, but for walking all day, I think it's high enough. But yeah, and I'll have to paint the details on them. And after that, I need to do so much stuff. So I haven't started any part of the outfit yet. I started to work on the stuff I could do easily-ish. So I live stream on Twitch to show the work I'm doing on this cosplay. The first stream I did, I actually tried to redraw every piece of the outfit to be able to like understand how it works. I wasn't really successful about it, but I'm gonna work on it more, especially for the skirt and for the flowy shirt thing. Like I said, I don't know how to sew that much and I'm not a clothes creator, so I need to really think through on how to make those, and for that I need to understand how they can work without being set on a drawing, on a flat drawing, you know? And then I started working on something that isn't on the drawing but that Nami has, like always. It's her lock pause, and I wanted to do the second version of it, the one with the 3 compass. So I did one live stream where I started drawing the pattern and cutting the foams, and next week I will try and work on the rest, so gluing everything and painting it and hopefully being done with it. A tutorial will come for this. I will try to make it for next month, and the step after that would be the Kaimatsak. I don't know how you say it in English. In Japanese it's Kaimattakto. So the weapon she uses on this drawing, it's just like the first one she has, that is just a long rod, but I kind of wanted to make the one she has in Wano, but I want to make it like foldable and expandable, but I don't know how to make that right now, so I need to think more about it. I did some research, I drew some stuff to try to understand how to make the mechanism. I tried to look at people's tutorial on YouTube, and I can't really find what I actually want right now, because I would like to have something that you press the button and it opens, but you press the button and it folds down again. I might not do that because it seems a bit tricky, but we'll come back to that. I actually tried to find patterns to help me with the making of everything. I also started a bit to make some research about the fabrics I could use. I'm not quite sure yet, still working on that. I found the wig, I just didn't buy it yet, but I have some time and I'll try to be like really work hard for the next couple of weeks and months. And yeah, so that's it for this week. I hope you like that kind of stuff, like me telling you what I did, where I am, what I need to do every week or so. I hope it's fun to watch. I don't know. And I'll see you next time. Bye.